How to transfer video Android to Android. Open up your video, and for example this video I want to transfer it. Now simply for other phone, make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. Now go to your share button, press on quick share, then you can see QR code to link. So you have to sign in with your Gmail account, or if you don't have account, then you can select as you don't have account. Now I'm completing my sign-in process with my Gmail account, and now open the other phone camera and scan this code. Then you can see it's now transferring. Let's see how much time it's need to transfer video. You can see, and it's done. Now let's check the video size. It's 1.42 gigabyte. So this is how you can easily transfer it. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.